Hello everyone, welcome back to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 8, Chapter 8, Comparing Quantities, Exercise 8.3, question number 6 onwards. See now question number 6. Arif took a loan of 80,000 rupees from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and interest is compounded half yearly. Now let us see the solution. We know amount equals to principal amount P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n formula. Here P value principal amount is 80,000 rupees they have given, n value number of years is 1.5 years and rate of interest is 10% per annum compounded yearly. See now for calculation of compound interest, it is compounded annually. Since here n is 1.5 years, amount can be calculated for 1 year and having that amount as principal, simple interest can be calculated for half year. Because compound interest is only annually, we have to calculate. See here amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. That equals to principal amount is 80,000 rupees into 1 plus rate of interest is 10%. So 10 by 100 whole power n value is 1 year. So n equals to 1, we place here. That equals to 80,000 into, here LCM value is 100, 100 into 100 plus 10 by 100. That equals to 80,000 into 100 plus 10, 110 by 100. Now we are going to cancel 10 table 10 times 100, 11 times is 110. 10 table 10 ones are 10, 10 table 8,000 times 80,000. So that equals to 8,000 into 11, that is 88,000 rupees. Therefore, amount after 1 year is 88,000 rupees. Therefore, the principal for half year is 88,000 rupees. Now, simple interest for half year, that equals to PTR by 100. That equals to principal amount is 88,000 into time is half year, half into rate 10 by 100. 10 table 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100. 10 table 10 ones are 10, 10 table 8,800 times 88,000. So 8800 into half, that is 2 table. When we do cancellation, we get here 4,400. Amount after 1.5 year, that equals to amount for 1 year, that is 88,000 rupees plus simple interest for half year, that is 4,400. On adding both, we get the amount, that is 92,400 rupees. Now we shall calculate the compound interest after 1.5 year. That equals to amount minus principal. Here amount is 92,400 minus principal is 80,000 rupees. On subtracting both, we get compound interest for 1.5 year, that is 12,400 rupees. See now 6th question, second sum. For calculation of compound interest, that is compounded half yearly, we will consider the rate as 5% per annum and n value as 3. Actually, they have given rate of interest as 10%. So here we are finding compound interest for half yearly. So we reduce this rate of interest to half. So it became 5%. Number of years they have given as 1.5 year. So 3 times we are having half. So n value we consider as 3. We had here amount value A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Principal amount is 80,000 into 1 plus rate of interest is 5. So 5 by 100 whole power n value is 3. That equals to 80,000 into, here LCM value is 100, 100 into 1, 100 plus 5 by 100 whole power 3. That equals to 80,000 into 100 plus 5, 105. So 105 by 100 whole power 3. That means 105 by 100 multiplied 3 times. Now we shall see the cancellation. 5 table 100 is 20 times and 105 is 21 times. Here also we calculate same way. So that equals to 80,000 into 21 by 23 times we had multiplied. Next step, that equals to 80,000 into 21 multiplied 3 times, answer is 9,261 by 20 multiplied 3 times, value is 8,000. 8,000 ones are 8,000, 8,000 tens are 80,000. So that equals to, now multiply the numerator, that is 10 into 9,261, that equals to 92,610 rupees. See now compound interest after 1.5 year, that equals to amount minus principal. we got amount as 92,610 rupees minus principal amount is 80,000. On subtracting both, we get the compound interest as 12,610. Now we shall find the difference in amounts he would be paying, that equals to, so for half year he got amount as 92,610 rupees minus for 1 year he got total amount that is 92,400 rupees. On subtracting both, we get here 210 rupees. Therefore, difference in amounts he would be paying is 210 rupees. See now question number 7. Maria invested 8,000 rupees in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year and find the interest for the third year. Now let us see the solution for calculation of amount credited at the end of second year. Amount equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Principal amount they have given as 8,000 rupees into 1 plus rate of interest is 5%, so write on 5 by 100 whole power. Here n value we have taken as 2. Why? Because they have said here amount credited against her name at the end of the second year they have given. They mentioned for 2 years. So n value we have taken as 2. Now we shall see the calculation. Write on 8,000 into, here LCM value is 100. 100 into 100. 100 plus 5 by 100 whole power 2. Next step, that equals to 8,000 into 100 plus 5. 105 by 100 whole power 2. That means 105 by 100 multiplied 2 times. Now we shall see this calculation. 5 table 20 times is 100. 5 table 21 times is 105. Similarly, here also we have calculated same way. Now we shall see the next step, that equals to 8,000 into 21 into 21, 441 by 20 into 20, that is 400. Next, 400 ones are 400. 400 table 20 times is 8,000. Now we have to multiply 20 into 441, that is 8,820 rupees. Therefore, the amount credited at the end of second year is 8,820 rupees. See now 7th sum, second sum. For calculating compound interest for the third year, the principal amount will be 8,820 rupees. Simple interest formula, that is PTR by 100, that equals to principal amount 8,820 into, here we need to calculate compound interest for third year. Previously we have calculated compound interest for 2 years. Third year means 1 more year we have to calculate. So we have taken here time period as 1 into, they have given in the question rate of interest is 5%. So 5 by 100. Now we shall see the cancellation. 5 table 5 ones are 5. 5 table 20 times 100. That equals to, write on the numerator 8,820 divided by 20. On dividing we get the result 441. Therefore, the interest for the third year is 441 rupees. See now question number 8. Find the amount and the compound interest on 10,000 rupees for 1.5 years at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? Let us see the solution. For calculation of compound interest compounded half yearly, we will take the interest rate at 5%. Here in our question, rate of interest is 10%. But here compound interest we have to calculate half yearly. So we reduce this rate of interest to half. So 10 half is 5. So we have taken rate of interest here 5%. Now let us see the amount formula. A equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. That equals to principal amount is 10,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 5. So 5 by 100 whole power. Here n value we have taken 3. So here 1.5 here. Half is repeating 3 times 1.5. So that's why we have taken n value as 3. Next step, that equals to 10,000 into LCM value is 100. 100 into 100 plus 5 whole power 3. That equals to 10,000 into 100 plus 5, 105 by 100. Now we shall see the calculation. 5 table 100 is 20 times. 5 table 105 is 21 times. that equals to 10,000 into 21 by 20 whole power 3, that is written as 21 by 20 multiplied 3 times, that equals to 10,000 into 21 multiplied 3 times, answer is 9,261 divided by 20 multiplied 3 times can be written as 8,000. Now we have to do cancellation. 1000 table 8000 is 8 times and 10,000 is 10 times. 2 table 8 is 4 times and 10 is 5 times. That equals to 5 into 9,261 divided by 4. That equals to, on simplification we get this result, that is 11,576 rupees 25 pice. See now, interest earned at 10% per annum compounded half yearly, that equals to amount minus principal. Amount is 11,576 rupees 25 pice minus principal amount is 10,000. On subtracting both we get 1,576 rupees 25 pice. Therefore, the amount earned at 10% per annum compounded half yearly is 11,576 rupees 25 pice, and the compound interest earned at 10% per annum compounded half yearly will be 1,576 rupees 25 pice. Here the compound interest earned half yearly will be more than the compound interest earned annually. Why? Because compound interest half yearly is always more than the compound interest annually at the same rate of interest. Today we have seen exercise 8.3, 6, 7, 8 sums. In the next video we shall see remaining sums of this exercise. Hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching.